when we are using VPS or RDP. Sometimes we experience errors when logging and using remote desktop connection. The warning says there was an error regarding connection security. As we know, Credential Security Support Provider Protocol functions to secure client computers to Windows servers through the Transport Layer security system. Such warnings often occur when RDP is installed on an older version of Windows Server. If you encounter the problem, there are two ways to fix it. The first way, we can change the settings through the Edit Group policy. To make things easier, use the search feature on Windows. If it is found, select Computer Configuration. Open Administrative Templates folder. Systems. After that, open Credentials Delegation folder. In this settings, right-click on the Encryption Oracle Remediation. And then select Edit. If it's still not configured, select Enable. In Protection Level, change it to Vulnerable. If it's done, select Apply. And OK. In the second way, we can change settings from Regedit or Registry Editor. To make things easier, use the search feature in Windows. When it's open in k_local_machine, look for the software folder. Microsoft, Windows, current version. Policies. And open the System folder. If there is no CredSSP folder in that folder, create a new folder by right-clicking, New, and select keys. Name it CredSSP. Because this laptop is already available, a warning window like that will appear. Right-click on the CredSSP file, New. Select key, name it Parameters. And next, right-click on the table on the right. Right-click on New. Select Word 32-bit value. In the register file, name it Allow Encryption Oracle. And after that, right-click on the newly created registry file. In the base setting, select Decimal, Value Data. If it's done, select OK. Of these two ways, we can apply just one of them. And now, I will try to access RDP via remote desktop connection. You can see RDP is now accessible. In this RDP, only installed Windows Server 2012 R2. As for the specifications, only installed to RAM using one virtual machine. That's how to fix CredSSP encryption Oracle remediation error. And thank you for watching.